Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And we're going to talk about Zombie via Ethereum and also Binance. We're going to go over the chart details, where we stand, where price potentially could go, and give you guys all an update. So let's jump right into it. We're currently looking at Zombie wrapped with Ethereum, right? So this is the Ethereum price. Currently, we're at 4535. In my last video, these were the lines that I had drawn for Ethereum, and I kind of say, hey, we could either break down, break up. If we do break up and we break above this 10 level, we'll probably go up to the 13 or 14 level. Currently, we tried to break up, failed, and we're just chopping around right now. Watch all of this. This is going to be a major level of support if we do break down. This, I'm not going to lie, the chart still looks bearish. Ethereum, Bitcoin, all that is bearish. Stock market, things like that. So kind of, yeah, we had bounce, but we're kind of rolling back over. So just things to kind of keep in mind. We are still in crypto winter. So with this pattern, it does look like we could have another leg lower. The first level would be probably right around this 2 level, and then eventually down to this level, which is around the 1. I keep saying, don't be afraid of this move. If anything, this is a great opportunity type of move. Meaning, if you bought anywhere up here, we're all underwater. I'm with you guys, right? I now have about a 9 overall buy-in rate, right? We're at 4 or 5, so I'm down about 50% on my entire position. But my plan is, if we do get down here, I will definitely be buying more. Now I have 2 separate wallets that I'm buying in. One is for a long term, one's for a short term. The long term I'm never selling, and I will also add to that wallet down here. But my short term, and this is kind of one of my goals or plans, is if we could get down to this 1 or 2 level, I will definitely be buying, and whatever I hold long, I will be doubling that position, right, for my short-term swing trade. Because if I could buy at, let's say, 1 or 2, well, if I double up my position, we only need about 150% move for me to make everything back. I will sell that on any little bounce. So if we could buy it, let's say at 2, I will look to sell it right here at the 4 or 5 on any type of bounce. I will lock in my entire outlay that I've invested in Zombie. So now my overall position becomes a free position on all my long-term holds. So hopefully that makes sense. But remember, I am a trader with this. I love it. I still believe in the project, but with that being said, I will also trade around the position. So that's what's going on. Like I said, this just feels heavy to me. I think we're going lower, and I'm just going to be prepared for that move higher. For us to break higher, we probably need to get above the 8 level before we would see a retest of the 10. So that's where I stand there. As far as the Binance side, let's just draw a couple lines, right? Ultimately, this 13 level up here, we kind of have essentially that same pattern going on down here. I would definitely be watching this level right here, which is around the we'll call it the 3-5 level. If we take out this 3-5 level, definitely be watching this 1 to 2 level. Again, that's where I would be a big time buyer, doubling up my position, because just on the small move, I will take my profits And what I'm trying to explain is, let's say you invested $3,000 total here. If you're willing to buy another $3,000 here, and we just make 100, we'll say 150% move, because there are the taxes and fees and stuff like that. So if I could buy at 2, it goes back to 45. Okay. And remember, Binance is at 54 right now. But if I could buy it to sell at 45 for 3,000, I get my original 3,000 that I put on the trade. I made $3,000, which covers my long-term hold that I've already invested 3,000. This is a zero net long position for me, and I have all upside with zero risk on the table. So that's what's going on. Don't want to make this video too long, but again, the markets do feel heavy in my opinion, and I will be keeping an eye on those moves, so to those levels lower. But as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.